It is another early morning from Epcot. This is potentially our... That was a bit twisted, there we go. This is potentially our last day in Epcot. We don't have another plan to come back here. We will potentially be back the day before our last, but we haven't planned it, so this could be our last. We're treating it as our last. I didn't vlog yesterday because we went to Typhoon Lagoon and then we went to the Polynesian in the evening and watched the fireworks on the beach, which was beautiful. And then we went to Trader Sam's in the evening afterwards, which was so much fun. If any of you ever get the opportunity to go to Trader Sam's, the grotto inside, couldn't recommend enough. It was just so good. The vibes in there are fantastic. The bartenders are brilliant. It's just so much fun. Definitely worth going to. We're in Epcot bright and early. It is 8:06. It doesn't open till 8:30, but we want to try and get on Ratatouille first thing, eat the cubes, and then go to Frozen as well. And then we're going to do some eating around the world. We've got a Guardians reservation. I think like group 33 were with the Guardians.
Yeah, I think we're going to get on it like 11, 12ish.
Yeah, so there we go. So everyone has just been let in, and as you can see, everyone is heading straight towards Ratatouille, which is where we are also going. This crowd is crazy. Oh, I'm getting hit by a stroller. These people love Ratatouille. We were literally just saying, if this is Disneyland Paris, the queue would be like 5-10 minutes. Yeah, this is madness.
Voilà, venez, suivez-moi, je vous prie. Chef Rally is waiting for you. This way. Qu'attendez-vous? Oh, ils aiment des invités pour le dîner.
Here! Vous n'aurez pas idée là? Comprends? Non. A simple omelet? Too simple. What? Mais oui, that's it! Hey guys, the food is for them, not you. Neil. Une à point, une bleue et une signette. Il va aussi me falloir rapidement 4 ratatouilles. Vous serez toujours les bienvenus, cher ami. À bientôt et bon appétit. Et Mino.
We've just done Ratatouille and it was only 20 minutes. It was posted at 45, but we only waited 20, which is fab. Oh, there she is. It is exactly the same as the one in Paris, which I knew anyway because I've heard other people say it. There wasn't as many smells as I thought there would be. The only room that I noticed smells was the scene in the kitchen with Remy. That was the only room.
Yeah, same.
The fridge didn't have any.
The water had more, like the water was working.
Yeah.
Fire was working. Wheels on your underneath the table weren't working.
Oh, weren't they?
No, I love looking at that's one of my favourite parts.
Yeah.
The wheels. That wasn't working, and the smells when they're making Remy's kitchen weren't working. Like you couldn't smell anything, but the champagne worked. So
yeah,
it seems like the special effects in some way were working, but not enough.
Others no. But the queue now is huge. All these people here are walking to queue for Remy's.
I'm in the queue.
Yeah.
Look how far back it goes.
It's crazy. It's posted at 65, but it's definitely not. It's way.
Yeah, we're not going to make it around there.
It's way over that. But I'm glad that we managed to get on and off it in 20. So G is just grabbing a Joffrey's, but she's grabbing an alcoholic one. I don't know what it's called. She's going over there. I'll grab your bag.
Oh, don't worry about it, I can see it. Soph, bless her, is a very mum woman.
I am.
She is here and she's like, oh, you've left your phone, and I'm like, oh, she'll be fine. She's like, you've left your bag. I'm like, who's gonna take it? What do you want? Crocs? Remy? They want Remy.
Yeah.
Remy.
As the guy said in Trader Sam's last night, I'm obviously too responsible.
Yeah, you are. She's the responsible one. I was like, get the float. She was like, I don't want the float. She wanted the float. Hey.
So what's in this?
So it's espresso, like a iced latte, mixed with Kahlua, which is like a liqueur that's like coffee and chocolate. Right, my tripod actually is...
Do you want me to hold it? Would that be better?
Yeah, that's okay. So, Kahlua-tini is coffee, so an iced latte, mixed with... No, it's not an iced latte, it must be an iced espresso because it's dark. Mixed with Kahlua, which is a coffee and chocolate liqueur, and cream at the top.
Lovely.
To make it a bit more coffee-y. Oh, that was strong. Oh, I can feel it in my throat.
Ice caramel latte.
Thank you.
Is that better now?
Much better, much more joyful for you. I thought I was going to be rocking around frozen ever after. Oh, dearie me, that is good. A good pick-me-up, a good morning pick-me-up at literally like 9:30 in the morning,
So we are making our way round to Norway to do Frozen, and we've come to Germany, and G has told me that we need to go in the caramel shop.
Just wait for the smell.
Oh, it smells divine.
Cinnamon chocolate pieces.
Look, they're making it there. You can get fresh bags. It's heaven. It's literally heaven.
That looks so good. Oh look! Oh, I
Really
love
cute.
that.
This is the whole reason that I come into this pavilion, just because this one place to live. Try this though.
I ain't got the magic band. You're in. Key card. Oh yeah.
Hola! Hector at your service! Now what, Hector? Life is pretty bueno here in the land of the dead. Why not give it a whirl? Are you ready to whirl?
I think so.
Oh, you look good. Oh, you're gonna make yourself. Ah, you're beautiful.
I think that's probably closest.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, that one.
That one.
Look like you. Eyes. What colour eyes do you have, Soph?
Green.
Got it?
I think.
Oh, decoration. What decoration do you want your skull to have?
Ooh.
Weird question. I never thought I'd ask that.
Oh, there's too much choice. Am I?
What clothes do you want? Oh, big. Boob tube. What do you mean? These are all great options. Why are you still?
I'm going with the green one.
Where do you want to live? Fantastical, looking good. Now let's take some photos for them familiar. Now shake what you got. Cheese. 3, 2, 1, another pose.
No, it's not moving.
Is it picking up cute? Oh, I love it. So much variation, so much style.
Wow.
Wow. I've been to the restaurant here.
Have you?
There's a boat ride goes past it.
Oh, nice. A bit like pirates.
Yeah, like pirates.
It's beautiful in here.
Nice little pick-me-up stuff.
My bag matches in here.
Halloween decorations.
Now it's just quiet.
Hi, Paquito. I have to say, and this is this one. No, we must like it. The concert is tonight. Sarate. Mexico City. This way.
That's not to do all that.
Mexico City. This way. Caballeros, trique, caballeros, deseando la verdad. We're company amigos, no matter where he goes, the ones to amigos, we're always together.
So we've just done the Grand Fiesta tour. That was a cute little ride. Walk on, which is brilliant, and I can see why it's a walk on.
Yeah,
I was
the boat got by like 2 people.
Yeah, literally. I was saying to G though, when like after we'd got off it, if they turn that into a cocoa ride, it would be incredible. Like, it's a cute little ride, but I feel like it needs a bit of an update, a bit of a revamp, especially now they've added the cocoa bit at the start. I think it'd be really good for them to do.
They pay.
Yeah.
Shop which is cocoa match. Like, it's really cool that they've got the 3 of them, but think not too distant future, should probably have a bit of a shake up.
Yeah, definitely. So we're going into the Coca-Cola Club Pool. Yeah. Bit scared though. Oh, it's busy.
Always is. Right, guys. Can you grab the first one?
Have a cup.
Thank you.
Have a cup.
Got my cup.
It's just Sprite.
It's just Sprite.
Cucumber Sprite.
Cucumber.
That's why it didn't taste like Sprite to begin with.
You can smell it.
You
It's
can
cucumber.
yeah.
And then the taste of Sprite. It's like almost like the scented of cucumber. I don't mind it. It's refreshing.
Oddly refreshing, yeah.
The aftertaste is better than the initial taste. So what do you think?
Oddly refreshing.
This one is from China. It is
From?
Soph, traditional
Oh, I
Chinese beverage that has a smart salad gum taste.
Is that the one that Alan was on about?
But disgusting. Can't use that again. That's disgusting.
It does taste a bit like Adam said, teriyaki sauce.
Just vile.
Next
No, this one looks nice. Can you thingy for me? Thank you.
It's not my favourite. Just tastes fake.
I don't think it's the worst.
It's not the word.
Well, we just had teriyaki sauce. Of course, it's not the worst. Right, Country Club Merengue. The music and dance is just as popular as a sparkling sweet treat.
Oh, it's actually quite nice.
It's okay. It again tastes fake. It's not worse. What do you think of the merengue?
It's alright. It's a bit like medicine.
Not too bad.
Next up, we have from Madagascar the bonbon anglais, which is again a blend of
That's alright.
fruit flavours.
Oh, this one's
Smells nice. My favourite is the cucumber Sprite at the moment.
This one's bad actually.
It doesn't smell yet, as I say, it doesn't smell great. What do you think?
I think it smells worse than the actual drink.
I'm not a massive fan of the aftertaste either.
This is the one I'm dreading.
So this is Beverly. Beverly, with its bitter flavour, is a popular non-alcoholic aperitif, which is a drink that you have after eating, I think that's what aperitif means. Aperitif. It's a traditional part of the Italian refreshment culture. No one
It's
say.
nasty.
I know it's bad, that's why I don't want to. Oops, sorry.
It tastes like
Sorry, just shimmy out the way, guys. Sorry.
Guys, it is time. Are we ready?
It's time.
I didn't realise that the monorail went through Epcot.
Yeah, it does.
That's so cool.
It goes round to like parks. So as you arrive at Epcot, you get to see it before you get in.
Ah. Let's go. Groups 34 to 46 and we were group 33, I think.
So,
Speak to my friends over there.
Oh, it's moving quick, guys.
it's already going to be quicker than last time.
Thank goodness.
Your Voyager's mission to be
He's having a great time already.
the rest of the universe has already been a success. It is one of the reasons we are here at Epcot today.
Greetings, Terrans. I am Nova Prime Irani Rayal, Commander of the Nova Corps. On behalf of all Xandarians, I hope you have enjoyed exploring the wonders of Xandar. For you to travel to Xandar would take 2.5 million years, assuming you had a ship that could fly at the speed of light. So we decided to come to you. But even we could not have reached you so easily were it not for the cosmic generator, an advanced piece of Xandarian technology that creates jump points.
Welcome, people of Epcot. Epcotters. Epcotians. Citizens of Epcot. Does anyone know what they call themselves? What? I'm on? Someone needs to tell me when I'm on. Welcome, Epcot-tarians. I am Centurion Talmeric, and we're just about ready to teleport you up to the ship for the demonstration. As you're about to enter a secure Nova area, I must ask you to put away your Terran communication devices at this time. Recording of any type is strictly prohibited. I am very serious about this. Now, please step forward into the chamber. You're gonna love this. So long as you are standing inside the lighted ring. You do not want to know what happened last time someone did not stand where I told them to, okay? Stand by for teleportation. Here we go. You made it! I mean, of course you did. Nova Prime, they're ready.
Excellent.
Hey, what's up, Nova?
Our cosmic generator has been stolen.
What?
How?
Why didn't we think of that? That thing's gotta be worth a fortune.
I am Groot.
Good question.
Yeah, who do you think took it?
Perhaps that really big man outside your ship. That is a big man. I need to alert Nova Prime. I will be watching Terrans for beyond.
That's not creepy at all.
This species has failed.
Wait, whoa, we didn't even know there was a test.
He's got the cosmic generator. He's creating a new jump point.
Jump point to where?
We've just been on Guardians and we managed to get a different song this time. We got One Way or Another, which again was another fantastic song choice, so we were very, very happy with that one. But we are getting a little bit peckish. So we've started our trail for the Food and Wine Festival. We've come into, I think it's Communicorn. I could be wrong, I could have pronounced it completely wrong, I don't know. But they do the macatizers here, which is basically the mac and cheese options. So I've gone for the traditional mac and cheese, and King looks like he's gone for the beef option, which also looks very nice. I don't know which one G is getting. She's still waiting, so we will see. But it looks delicious. G's definitely got a lot more than I have, but that's okay because we're going to be eating all day. That mac and cheese was beautiful. It was so creamy and so nice. I'm a bit funny with mac and cheese. I find that sometimes it can be a bit stodgy and a bit sickly, but that was very nice. Key, what did you think of yours?
Very delicious.
Very delicious. Would you have that again?
I would. However, we'd have plenty more to choose.
That we do. I can easily eat that again, but we've got so many options today to eat. Key, did you enjoy yours?
I did. It wasn't my favourite mac and cheese. I preferred the Minion one.
Oh, that's a shame. Now we are heading towards the land to go and do Living with the Land. And possibly soaring if the wait time goes down, because it's currently 75 minutes. So we will see. A slight change in plan. We're going to go and do Spaceship Earth first, because we thought we can go there and then come back round this way, rather than go there to go there and then come back again.
At all times. During your slow-moving journey, the time machine will slowly go to your back, and you stop momentarily. When you see
Poised to shape the future of this, our spaceship Earth. On your computer screen, answer a few questions first. Then we'll show you a new world, custom made just for you. Ready?
future. Or should I say, the car of the future is green. Your car runs on environmentally friendly fuels, and your green home conserves and generates its own energy. You'll grow beautiful flowers in your garden using recycled water or distilled seawater. Your green home will have its own water recycling system, and the walls will be built of natural materials like earth, wood, rocks, which also provide great insulation for low energy consumption. You can live the good life and the green life in your home in the country, because in the future, every day is Earth Day. Or should I say the beginning of your future.
So we've come to Canada and I've been told that the mango popcorn is really good, so we've got some.
So this is when it isn't as good as I remember.
I know, yeah, it smells
your head, be it.
It's good.
The caramel popcorn is sweeter, but I like the fact that this tastes like maple syrup.
There's any flavour on that bit?
Big portion. It's not bad for flavoured popcorn as well.
We've been on Spaceship Earth and now we've started our little trek around the World Showcase. We started off in France and Keisha's been to Belgium and now we're heading round that way. I don't know where it's next, but where are we going next, Kay?
Nothing in Morocco.
So not Morocco.
So the next one
is Greece.
Is possibly Greece.
Okay. Let's go to Greece.
If not, we are going to Japan.
Oh, yay!
For teriyaki chicken buns.
I think we're all excited for Japan the most.
Temaki sushi.
Right, let's go then. Yeah, Kieran decided against the dish in Greece, so we've come to Japan. G's in the queue. Oh, I'm wanted. It's got the goods.
Thank you.
Thank you. Literally. It's a nice breeze here though. Well done, G.
Yeah, I literally, when I stood here, I was like, oh God, hurry up. We're gonna wait.
What are you going to get from Japan, G? The teriyaki chicken bun.
Yeah, and then maybe the sushi that's got the wagyu
sushi. I also think the same. So these are the options. This is what I think I'm going to go for. And G is also tempted by one of the sushis. I can't remember which one, but I'm definitely getting this one. So we've all gone for the chicken teriyaki bao bun.
Yeah, we did. These aren't bao buns, I don't think, are they?
They're kind of the same.
They're the same thing.
Key, what do you think?
Very nice.
G, what do you think?
I've had this before, really like it.
Lovely. Now it's time for me to try.
Here we
go. Yeah, we skipped Greece in the end. He did debate getting the lamb gyros, but it didn't look that special, and they were all like pre-made, so like...
It inspires really wonderful music. Generation to generation, it's our voices in harmony, celebrating this beautiful land and all of your home.
That Miguel comes out in his mariachi outfit over in Mexico and we're like, we've got to go and see it. So we're going to be a little bit lazy and get the boat over because our legs are exhausted. So we're going to save our legs a little bit and get the boat over and be a little bit lazy.
Una calandria María, una calandria María, por aquí pasó volando. El chiquito llevaba una rosa de Castilla que viento la deshojaba como blanca maravilla. En su piquito llevaba una rosa de Castilla que el viento la deshojaba como blanca maravilla. María Chuchera se fue a bañar a orillas del río, mojito al mar. María Chuchera se estaba bañando y el pescador le estaba mirando y le decía: María, María, tu casañita con la mía, tu casañita con la mía, yo te echo la pista de María García.
I sing a secret song to you. Each night we are apart, remember. Though I have to travel far, remember me. Each time you hear a sad guitar, know that I'm with you the only way that I can be, until you're in my arms again.
Recuérdame, aunque tengo que mirar, recuérdame, si mi guitarra oyes llorar, ella con su triste canto te acompañará, hasta que en mis brazos no estés. Remember me. Señoras y señores, buenas tardes, buenas noches, buenas tardes, buenas noches, señoritas y señores. Esta noche estar aquí es mi pasión, qué alegría, pues la música es mi lengua y el mundo es mi familia, mundo es mi familia. Pues la música es mi lengua y el mundo es mi familia, el Nobel es mi familia.
Gracias, amigos. Thank you so much.
So we've just seen the mariachi band with Miguel and it was so good. We didn't get the boat over because the boat ended at 4 o'clock, I think. But to be honest, it wasn't that long of a walk anyway. I think we were just really lazy and really tired. Oh, my battery is flashing, so let me change it. There we go, I've changed the battery. Yeah, we saw the mariachi band with Miguel, which was so good. They were so talented, and Miguel was we've been around China a little bit, and now Key and I are heading on to Frozen. It is quite a long wait. It's currently at 55 minutes, it was at an hour. The G's not feeling too good today, so she's giving this one a miss with the chill in the aircon, which I don't blame her for because it's quite hot today. But I am excited for this one.
Andre Garkin here. Happy summer snow day from me to you.
Do you want to be a snowman? Come on, I know you do. I'll make a magic winter show in summer snow for spending me and you. We're going up to Elsie's ice house with you and you, all of you. See you there. On our favorite tell sister that unselfish act of true love and full of frozen heart. Welcome to Elsa's Ice Palace. We get to share this frozen fun for the first time forever. Elsa's defying everyone.
We've just come off of Frozen and I loved it so much. What did you think? There's a running theme here that Keys man of very few words, but I loved it. And I'm so glad that they're bringing it to Disneyland Paris because I think if there's any ride that should come to Disneyland Paris, it should be Frozen Ever After because Paris...
You'll never get on it.
True. Paris love Frozen, so I think that's a perfectly acceptable ride to come. Because I love that. I don't want to do it again, but we can't. Key got the duck bao bun, and G and I got the chicken pan-fried dumplings. So this is our little spot that we've got to try.
That's why
G's just doing her little vlog. But this is such a beautiful spot. I'm not very good at chopsticks, so don't judge me.
You can do it though, I believe. You only learnt like last year though, because you learnt when we were at Wagons, didn't you?
Kind of.
You got it. Worst case, stab it, so. There, perfect. That's how you do it. The sauce really makes it, doesn't it? The dumplings aren't the best dumplings I've ever had.
Yeah, they are quite dense,
really
aren't they?
Yeah. I think the dumpling, I don't know what you call it, like the pancakey bit, it's quite thick. But the inside's nice and the sauce, like I said, is amazing. So good.
They're nice. Kieran has picked up the caramel popcorn. Are you excited? G's currently taking a quick snap of it.
Unfortunately, it wasn't fresh.
Yay! Should we try it?
Yeah, okay. Can we go in the shade to try it?
Yeah, let's go over there.
We go in the shop because it goes into a Christmas shop.
Does it? Oh.
Yeah, unfortunately it wasn't fresh because they got bags on the side.
You don't know how long ago they did
I
it.
guess they probably make it a lot in the mornings for when it's crazy.
Is it good?
That is good popcorn.
Better than the maple syrup.
That Star Wars shit. Yeah, it's got way more taste than that maple stuff.
Chewy.
That is good popcorn.
That is delicious. We are back in the French pavilion to get the famous ice cream sandwich. Are you ready? Are you ready? What flavours are you going for?
Well, yeah.
What, are you sharing one?
If you want to, we'll get one and then
I don't mind. How big are they?
They're massive.
Massive.
It's like a big roll.
So they've decided to go with chocolate.
Yeah, we have. Nom nom nom.
Exciting. But these are all the flavours that you can get. So it's quite a few.
I would have the vanilla, coconut white chocolate,
Caramel.
I think that's salted caramel. Oh, might be, I don't know. No chocolate.
Coffee?
I'd eat all those. That cinnamon caramelised apple and crumble crunch sounds good as well. I wouldn't like coffee ice cream.
No, I can't imagine.
Blueberry yogurt would be nice.
Yeah.
That cinnamon and caramelised apple. They did an apple pie ice cream at Fortescue's ice cream parlour, the one in Diagon Alley in Orlando. That was really good. So.
Oh, nice.
That's what you want, otherwise known as an ice cream sandwich.
They've got the goods.
Welcome to our croque glacé, which is our français for le sandwich de ice cream de chocolat.
Perfect. Wow.
Welcome to both vlogs. King. Perfect. Right, Key, you can try it first because you've never had it. You get the first bite. I also said I can't buy ice cream, so I have no idea how this is going to go. So that's why I've got the spoon.
It's going very well.
Fine. Is it good?
It's a good blend, and it's not too cold either.
Perfect.
You might be right. I think the heat kind of took the coldness up, maybe not.
No. Geez, she's a sensitive soul. You really are me.
You got the warm bit.
You really are me, you know. You know, in the bit in Princess Diaries too, she's like, oh, I'm cold.
It's good though.
So good.
It's a good mixture of like the bread and the.
This is what it looks like on the inside.
Hold on, mine's been slow.
Let me. Is that working?
Ah, there we go.
Nice.
There we go.
Good though.
And she was really cute, the girl that was making it. She had never tried one until last week, so I wonder if she's new.
Oh.
But yeah, she was like, it tastes really good.
Chocolate sauce, then ice cream,
Yeah.
then chocolate sauce in the Mickey shape on the other bun into the heater, waffle, biggie, and then cook.
Is it not weird having like an ice cream in bread?
No.
Oh.
Really nice.
Without sounding weird, my godmother, you've met Noelle, haven't you?
No.
Oh. My godmother makes fresh bread. I used to go to her house when she made fresh bread. As soon as it was out of the bread oven, we'd cut it and I put ice cream in the middle because it tastes so good.
Ah.
It has to be sweet bread. So
Yeah.
it's obviously brioche, so
Oh,
it's a bit
it is
like a
sweet,
higher
yeah.
croissant. Like, same as when you have like pancake with ice cream.
Really
It's like the
good.
same. Oh, is it coming out the bottom?
We're leaking at the bottom.
Just watch the shot.
No, save it.
But yeah, so good. Key rate, what's about them? Rate it out of 10?
It's a good solid 8 now.
Oh, G.
I'd say a 9. The only thing that would make it better is if it was toasted for a little bit longer, so it stayed warm a little bit longer, because I made Key come and take a video of it. So by the time we got here, that's probably when you had a warm mouthful, and then it's like, it's not cold, but it's lukewarm.
Yeah.
If that makes sense.
Yeah. And that is Epcot done for the day. This is probably the first day since maybe Magic Kingdom, I don't know. Also, I apologise for the brightness. I don't know what's going on with my camera, but the lighting is so odd. I don't know whether it's just me or what, I don't know. But yeah, that is Epcot done for the day. It's the first time in a while that we've done like a full park day, because usually what we've been doing is doing like a morning, then chilling in the afternoon, then coming back for the evening. So yeah, that is Epcot done for the day.